Hey everyone, want to use NotebookLM for financial reports? In this video, I'll show you how to analyze financial documents, extract insights, and organize financial information using NotebookLM step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the NotebookLM website. Sign in with your Google account and create a new notebook. Next, collect the financial documents you want to analyze, such as annual reports, earnings reports, balance sheets, market research files, or financial statements. Now upload your financial reports into NotebookLM. Adding your own documents allows NotebookLM to analyze information directly from your trusted sources. Once your files are uploaded, wait for NotebookLM to process and understand the content. Next, ask NotebookLM questions about your financial reports. You can request summaries of revenue, expenses, performance trends, important sections, and key business updates. Use NotebookLM to identify important insights, compare financial periods, and highlight changes between different reports. Next, create structured notes by organizing financial data, important findings, and explanations into easy-to-understand sections. You can ask NotebookLM to explain complex financial terms, summarize management discussions, and identify important points from lengthy reports. For multiple reports, upload different documents and ask NotebookLM to compare performance, trends, and changes over time. Always review important financial information with the original documents and use professional advice when making financial decisions.